Interaction practice. English level 2. Contents. Introduce myself. Tell about my experience in Tardes Caleñas and its climate. Recommend if you want to go to Tardes Caleñas. Introduce myself. My name is Karenicet Silva Chavarron. I live in Tarquihuila with my parents, my brother, and my two sisters. I am 18 years old. I study business administration. I am a very supportive, respectful, and friendly girl. I like animals, food, and going to the movies. I have a great experience in Tardes Caleñas, a wonderful place. This site is located in Valle of the Cauca near Rosso with many distractions and a great climate. It is a very warm and cool place, perfect to enjoy with the family. To this place I went with the family, with one in all the pool, especially in the whale pool. We threw ourselves of the highest lights and enjoying it the excellent food and trying. If you want to go to Tardes Caleñas, I give recommend. Okay. It is recommend. It is recommended that you use sunscreen. It is a good idea to wear fresh clothes. It is necessary to have a fresh eye kit at hand. It is advisable to use inflatables when entering the water. It is very important that you are washing your children, especially in the pool. It is recommended to always carry identification papers. It is essential to always be close to the people with whom you enter. It is recommended not to get in the extreme games if you suffer from heart disease. This is all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.